What's exciting for me is the opportunity to choose the technology that the faculty and students get to interact with in the classroom and how that shapes their future. Over the last few years, MTSU has invested into our classroom technology. We wanted to provide the same experience for our remote students as we do for our students that are here in person. Our classrooms have projectors, sound systems, document cameras, computers, laptops, lots of things that students in the classroom can see and hear. We need a device to be able to put all that together so that it could be recorded for students to view later or to see it streamed live.
Software just wasn't working for us, so we started looking at hardware-based ways to accomplish our needs.
I based a lot of my decisions on being able to manage the technology on a large scale. We have over 400 classrooms and I have a small staff. Even with just 2 people, I need to remotely control, configure, and manage the technology. We were able to do so with the Epiphan Pearl Mini. With Pearl Mini, we take all of our sources, automate the start and stop of our recordings. It delivers video perfectly and simultaneously to Panopto and Zoom. And we can monitor it all live remotely from anywhere.
We use the Pearl Mini with Panopto as our CMS. We live stream to Panopto during the session, while the Pearl simultaneously records it locally. Pearl Mini actually uploads that file to Panopto, where it then archives it and drops it in the correct folder. So not only are we able to live stream it and people can watch it live, they can go back later to that folder and watch the recording of the video. Having a hardware-based solution helps preserve the quality of what we're sending. We had Pearls implemented in all 420 rooms. We were rocking and rolling on day 1. I love that Pearl has a cloud feature, Epiphan Edge. Being able to remotely configure was massively impactful for me and my team. It frees up so much time for us. We're able to do more with less.
We're not having to take that 10 minutes to run across campus. We can do so from our office, from home, from wherever we need to.
I'd say over a year, it saves us at least a couple hundred hours. It's helped our classrooms become smarter and a lot more streamlined.
It really makes my day when the professors tell me how happy the technology makes them.
My expectations were exceeded. It's really intuitive and you don't really need training to understand how it works. I like having the course recorded. It helps me determine what I need to focus on and get better as an instructor. Not only our students, our faculty have come to expect quality. When I go to the board and write, it is almost like being in the classroom.
Watching the recorded lectures feels like I'm actually in class. In my case, with my hearing impairment, being able to go back and rewatch the lecture has had a really positive impact on my grades and really helped me succeed in school.
We've come a long way, and I think for the better. Technology is only going to enhance student learning.
Working with the Pearl Mini, every change I wanted to make or solution I needed, Epiphan had a yes for that. Epiphan allows our video to be truly intelligent. Our goal is to provide the best education experience for everyone. And that's something that's really important to me. That's why I'm passionate about providing this solution.